beautiful sitting here at the Grand Floridian in the lobby with this amazing piano player. Wes is unmatched with my refillable mug on my dining plan. With some hot tea. Beautiful. It's definitely a highlight. The Grand Floridian. Big Pine Key. Beautiful. What colors? Look at these beautiful colors. And then this view you get back here. Wow. Grand Floridian Resort Studio. Wow. I've stayed here before. The colors and everything here is so beautiful. Look at this beauty. Wow. Microwave. And look at our view. Mary Poppins. I love it. Huge balcony. It is just... The Grand Floridian is my #2 favorite resort. My #2 favorite resort. #1 is Polynesian. But man, and I always have to do a split stay and stay at both. Wilderness Lodge is #3. But yeah, it's so beautiful here. It's so wonderful. And of course, themed pillows, amazing. Just need a nice bed runner would be. And then you got beautiful birds. Now look at this. It just gives you such a good feeling being here. On the side of the table by the bed, we got plugs and USB. Beautiful details on the closet door. The lampshade, you got these beautiful flowers and Mary Poppins' umbrella. Umbrella, hidden Mickey. I didn't notice this design on the side of this bench. Some must do Disney when you're at a Disney hotel on YouTube, because these bastards took it away. Popped a little popcorn in the microwave. I like my popcorn well done. All right, we are in the room and we are making some pasta. This is some sauteed onions, garlic. We got some tomato sauce and stuff. We're gonna mix in pasta, some cheese. It's gonna be fantastic. Here it is, the pasta house made. Fantastic. With some fresh shredded mozzarella cheese. Grand Floridian pool area. Grand Floridian pool time. I love the pool here. This is the supposed quiet pool, but it's so beautiful. Our standard view is a fireworks view at the Grand Floridian. That is awesome. You could be in the pool watching the fireworks. They do still have a toaster and a microwave here, so that's good. I didn't want to commit to the mac and cheese because there were rumors they changed it to regular Disney counter service mac and cheese. But I'm happy to report Gasparilla Island Grill still has their amazing mac and cheese. And yes, I do still think this is the best mac and cheese in all of Disney World. Polite Pig is up there.
that I just had, but this is amazing. This one, they said it's with American cheese, but it's got this creaminess and it's amazing. It's amazing. Must get. After having the Polite Pig mac and cheese and this, the Polite Pig mac and cheese, the actual mac and cheese underneath this pulled stringy cheese that's on top of it, it tastes very similar to this. So I'm gonna now give the nod to Polite Pig as the best mac and cheese I've had. But this is a close second now. Gasparilla. Let's take a look at the food at 1900 Park. Wow. We were here before the refurb. They did a beautiful job. Yeah. Look, it's what's her name? Maribel. Got some donut holes and chocolate muffins and the strawberry soup, which I think is overrated. And we got some cream cheese Danish and etc. etc. Yeah, no. Probably dinner is the way to go. We got breakfast still going here. If I was to come here, I would come for dinner. Bread pudding, cinnamon pull-apart bread, sausage, gravy, biscuits, oatmeal, bacon. You know, I'm used to Vegas buffets and they're like crazy. A lot of stuff. Scrambled eggs, cheesy scrambled eggs, tofu scramble, sausage, chicken, carved ham, cheese grits, beef potato hash, egg benedict, cheesy potato casserole. Oh, smoked salmon lox. Ooh, herb to cream cheese. We got strawberry yogurt and granola, fruits. No, I'm not impressed at all with their breakfast selection. It's like standard, you know? Potato barrels, croissant breakfast pizza. Nice view. This was the tea time area. Good morning. What a beautiful view. One of the beautiful things at the Grand is the sun, the view from the balcony. It's just clean and beautiful, you know?